Hello, a very happy morning, a very cheerful morning, children. How are you, my little angels? Enjoying monsoon? Okay, but along that we have to studies also. So today we will be writing something. लिखना भी तो बड़ा अच्छा लगता है ना? So we will switch on to worksheets. We will switch on to the worksheets, isn't? I taught you about the jumbled words. What are the jumbled words? The words when they are in disorder, they are called jumbled words. So today we will be doing the jumbled words worksheet completely. English grammar jumbled words. Arrange these words to form sentence, being each sentences with a capital letter, put a question mark or full stop at the end. When you are writing a sentence, please attention, when you are write a sentence, you have to see that you are starting with a capital letter and you end with a full stop. So let's do one. Follow, children. See how I have written, sails on the help ship the sea. Does it conveys any meaning? इसका meaning हुआ? No. The ship sails on the sea. See how I am writing, the ship sails on the I have started with a capital letter and ended with the full stop. The ship sails on the sea. The next is flies an aeroplane in the air. Is it right, bacha? Is it right? Flies an aeroplane in the air. How we will write this? An aeroplane flies in the air. An aeroplane see how I am writing, beta? An aeroplane flies in the air. First was the ship sails on the sea. And next one is an aeroplane flies in the air. You got it? Now we will switch on to the another one. Your house where is? Does it conveys any meaning? आपका घर कहाँ पर है नहीं लिखा है, घर आपका है. Your house where is? Where is your house? So you will be putting question mark. Correct, you got it. Very nice. The pram is the baby crying in. Is it in order? No. The baby in the pram is crying. The baby in the pram is crying. Okay? Sit on the ant, the leaf. The ant sits on the leaf. The ant sits on the leaf. Got it, beta? Brings the postman letters. The postman brings the letter. The postman brings the letter. Beautiful is country my. Is it correct? No. Now you have got it. Beautiful is country my. My country is beautiful. My country is beautiful. Very nice. A toy car has he. A toy car has he. He has a toy car. He has a toy car. Correct. Got it. And the last one, a good John is boy. John is a good boy. So, I have done all for you. You have to write in your notebook. Okay, you have understood how we have to go with the sentences. Start with the capital, end up with the full stop. So, hope you might have understood how you have to go with the jumbled words. Okay, play a lot, remain safe. God bless you. Bye-bye.